So with that, I can cover my car note, my car insurance, my light bill, my water bill, and my cell phone bill. So, got all this to count. We got the money counter. This one is old. I try to go out and look for a new one. I got to place an order online, so we're going to try to make this work today. But anyway, let's get this out of here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and hook this bad boy up. You know, I usually got to put it in here just a few at a time so it can get it right. This one's kind of old, so mother. Hold on, y'all. So we're actually going to take this upstairs. So I'll meet you upstairs.
OmniaBeats.com.
All right, got it upstairs. Let's count these real quick. This thing is kind of old, so I don't know if it's going. It might stop a few times. I tried to go out to get a new one today, but couldn't find it. I was driving everywhere. They said I got to order online. So we're gonna try to make this work. But for batch, kind of loud. I'm gonna set it to 1. We got some 5, so I need to kind of get the files out first.
OmniaBeats.com.
Vending machine owners like when you know you get a 5. And the reason I have a lot of bills is because I don't have a card reader on none of my machines. I'm gonna get one, but I don't have one, so they ain't got no choice but to pay by cash. And also, I don't take my coins out. You know the big bucket of coins that you have at the bottom? I have a combo machine, so the big bucket of coins at the bottom, like, is not filled up. So I didn't take any coins out. I just let the coins, you know, sit there. So we just got the bills today. Trying to make sure that's all the 5s. 5. Another 5, okay. One time when I went to one of my machines with my son, I gave him all the money out the machine. I think it was most of the money in the machine. I just gave it to him. And he took it home and he told me he saved it. So, you know, I said, good job. If I was his age, I would have spent it, knowing me. But, you know, that guy know how to save. Ooh, yes. Oh, another 5. You know what? I don't even care if there's any more 5s. We just count the most. Did I check this one? I did not. Oh, all right. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 15 5s. That's 75. Yeah, that's 75. Well, let's get these 1s out the way. Let me batch. Hopefully we get to count all these. I'm hoping this don't mess up. So we can only do a little bit at a time. I can't do too many because it's gonna stop it. And then some of these dollar bills are like really messed up. So I'm hoping it'll count it. Let's try. Mother. I know. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to straighten out everything, but we gonna see. So far, so good. Oh, you see, this was probably gonna mess it up right here. But like I said, there is a link in the description if you guys want to learn. And it's really easy. It's not a long course or anything. It's me explaining and showing video so you guys can learn everything from A to Z. If you like and subscribe, you get a discount. Okay? 50% off. Right. We're almost there. So we had, let me see, we had 159. Oh, probably because this got. So this was 160, I believe, but it messed up. So I don't know if it was exactly 160 or what. You know what? He's gonna find out again. Out so don't get too filled up. I think we at 113. Where can I put this at? Right here.
OmniaBeats.com.
Make it to the end. We have 400 flat. So 400 plus, what was it, 75? So this is 475. And we also had like 2 more hundreds that we turned into the bank to get $100 bills for, so we can pay some bills and stuff. So it's 475 plus another 200, that's 675. So $675, that's not bad. Two machines, a month is some change. I didn't have a chance to go the money out last month because I was so busy. I did go and, you know, take the snacks and drinks and switch some out. The office wanted a new drink, so I put a new drink in there. The barbershop, which does really good, they wanted some, what they want, some peanuts? Yeah, so we put like some peanuts over there now. So we keep, well, I constantly update, you know, what they like and what they want. Whatever they're not buying, I don't keep it there. If they're not buying a certain item for going on 2 months, like I don't keep that item there, I switch it out. So that's how I'm able to keep it going. So 675, not bad at all. Like I said, the link is in the description if you guys want to check it out. Like and subscribe, give you a discount, just let me know. And yeah, I'm gonna get a new counter so we can not have to worry about this. Oh, not 675, 676, 677, 678. Forgot these $3. So 678, which is not bad. That covers my car note, that covers my light bill, my water bill, that covers my car insurance. So with that, I can cover my car note, my car insurance, my light bill, my water bill, and my cell phone bill. Like, that's, I don't know about y'all, maybe that's nothing to y'all, but that's good for me, you know, besides whatever I need to you know, get snacks and stuff like that. But you get what I'm saying. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.